was life-changing in a way I did not expect. I thought that I was just coming in to learn some clinical skills, and I'm a psychiatrist, so from clinical medicine perspective. And I did learn all that, but this work sort of touches you personally in a way that can't really be explained or anticipated. So it really started off a process of personal exploration and introspection on multiple levels. So it was very eye-opening, to say the least. It struck a really nice balance between being, professional, detailed, but also just real and personal and genuine. Just that these were real people, sharing their experience. And I think that lived experience part of the training is what sets this apart from some other opportunities that might be out there. This work has not only the potential to open up your therapeutic skills, your clinical understanding, kind of on that level of professional work, but it has the possibility to uncover ways of relating to yourself, relating to other people, ways of understanding that you might not even know exist. And it's very inspiring to work with a group of people who are so down to earth, caring, genuine, wise, funny, warm, compassionate. It just does your heart good to learn in that kind of environment.